Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to unbox an Amazon kitchen knife, the chef model, and do a first time demo cutting. This knife was shipped directly from Spain to New Zealand by FedEx. You can see that the packaging is pretty simple. They just put the knife and the case in the FedEx box without bubble wrap. This one should be the knife inside. You can see the oil patch on the paper. The oil is used to protect the knife. Let me open the case first. Such a beautiful case. It is made from real leather. I'm going to open the knife now. First impression, very oily. The factory put a lot of oil on the knife to protect the knife. Surprisingly, the knife is not heavy, but I can see and feel the fine craftsmanship of the knife. Now it's time for some demonstrations. I can easily slice the tomato in very thin pieces. Same for onion. I have never sliced an onion so effortless thin. Now let's try on a chicken. Unfortunately, I have never dismantled a chicken and didn't have time to learn and practice before making this video. It was messy, not because of the knife, but my poor skill. Luckily, my friend came to rescue me.
How are you, Irene?
She said, "Learn, Irene."
睇到幾 seamless 冇 ，Irene？唉，費事我嚟。
As you can see, this is really a good knife. It can dismantle a chicken very easily if you know how to do it. Okay, that's all for this unbox and demonstration. Thanks for watching. Bye.